Hey there, welcome back guys. This video is for those that are having trouble updating their DJI goggles using the DJI Assistant for consumer drones. It's just not connecting and showing up on your computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. We make these videos so you don't have to. So here it is right here. We're caught on a loop. Nothing's happening. We do know that the SD card is connected because if we go here and click on the DMC and then load it from here and then scroll down to maybe the bottom, or maybe let's say that would be the top if we do by date, and we can see we have a flight but nothing is happening and we are connected. So if we go here, close that out, here's our SD card. We're going to pull it out and it should disappear on 3, 2, yeah, it's gone. And when we connect it, it appears on 5, 4, it should maybe be somewhere down there. It usually doesn't show up in the same place, so if you have windows open, you might have to move around a bit to get the magic to happen. See, oh, there it is. Ah, it showed up right where it was. I take that back. So, but nothing's happening here. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the goggles and I will show you what it is exactly you need to do. So let me just push everything over here so it works out just right for you. All right. Select join. You don't need to do this part. This is just for your experience. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your goggles. Sometimes there's a slight delay. And we're going to go into settings and then click on about, right? And then from the bottom, you're going to go up, up, up. See, OTG wired connection to computer. Make sure your USB is connected, USB-C preferably. And then make sure you have a firm grip on your goggles and you should hear that click. Wait for it. And then now, if we click it, right there, goggle, you should see connected. Once it says connected, you're golden, because if we look behind the DJI Assistant for consumer drones, and there go our goggles. And when we click them, we'll just move this out of the way. That's our printer running in the background. And voila, we are current, but you can choose to refresh, downgrade, etc. But most of all, you still have access to everything else in the menu. And what you'll see inside of your screen when you go back, if you look on the bottom right-hand corner, it says OTG wired connection. So as long as you see that, you're always connected and everything's golden, and you can, decide what you want to do. Just remember to turn the goggles off so the SD card can appear on your desktop. And to turn that off, if let's say you don't want that red light anymore, it looks like we lost our connection, but it's coming back. You just pull out this, right? And then after you pull it out, you go back into there we go, picked up again. You're going to go into settings and then click on, about, and then go back up again and click on OTG wire connection. Select exit after the cord's pulled out, and that's pretty much it. And then that red little alert disappears and you are good to go and update your stuff. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.